With Ramadan upon us, it's the perfect time to explore delicious and nourishing dishes that keep us energized after fasting. So today we're making a refreshing pasta salad. This vibrant dish is not only light on the stomach, but it's also packed with flavour, making this a perfect appetizer for Iftar. This pasta salad will sure brighten your Ramadan table, so I'm going to start by boiling some pasta and leaving that aside. I'm going to chop up some cucumbers, some carrots, some peppers and some onion. I'm also going to chop up some spring onions and some dill. So I'm going to grab a big bowl and add in the pasta. I'm now going to add some cucumbers, some carrots, some peppers and some onions. I'm now going to add some light mayonnaise. Followed by a generous amount of this garlic mayo. So I'm just going to add spring onions and the dill. I'm going to add a whole can of this sweet corn and pepper mix. So I'm going to very lightly spice this. I'm going to go in with some pepper, some salt, some mixed herbs, and give that a really good mix. So I should have added a whole bottle of mayonnaise, but I wanted to keep it a little bit healthy, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit more. If you make this at home, I recommend you put the whole bottle of mayo in, and it looks like the healthy aspect of this pasta has just gone out the window. I've just added a generous amount of cheese. You can leave this part out if you want, but it tasted really nice with the cheese. And that's all there is to it. This delicious pasta salad is now ready.